we are constantly being asked here in Jointed Limited from the homeowner and contractor, where can they purchase a product from the Jointed range? In Jointed Limited here, we're a manufacturing company of a range of sealers, cleaners and jointing materials that we are very confident is compatible to the job that you are on. We are very supportive for the builder's merchants, the contractor and the homeowner, but we only supply the builder's merchants or the paving centres and they supply you. But we're very, very knowledgeable and we're very connected to the end user of our products, and please reach out to us if you have a question as an end user or a merchant or a contractor about what product you need for what job you're going on, or what product as a merchant you should be supplying for the contractor or the homeowner for a job that they're on. Please reach out to us. We're very knowledgeable and we love sharing that knowledge. It's the part of the business that we really enjoy, is sharing knowledge with people. And let me just guide you through how simple it is here on our website to find the stockist of our product. That's the homepage of Jointed, jointed.com. You click on the Jointed Store Locator. You type in your postcode. Your location will come up. You'll select the product. In this case, let's select Jointed Simple. Let's expand the radius to 50 kilometers. And there you go. All your stockists for Jointed within a 50 kilometer radius comes up. Let's click on this one. There's the website of the merchant that stocks our product, and that's the phone number of the merchant that stocks our product. It's good practice always to call the merchant ahead of you traveling there to ensure that they've got the product in stock. And if you stroll down along the page, them are the stockists in that area of where I typed in the postcode. And at the bottom of the page again, for technical support, whether it'll be a sales or after sales, that's our contact number at the bottom of the page. Hope this was helpful. Any questions? We're here to help. If you'd like to become a Jointed stockist, click on the link at the top of the page, become a Jointed stockist, submit your details to us and we will be back shortly.